Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Morlaye and I'm the founder of the theMKLAB. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I paint an emoji. We all love emojis and we all use them. You may not speak French or Spanish, but we all speak that universal language of emoji, right? Which is so cool because anybody around the world can understand you. So I got this bag on Amazon for about $60 and I put a bunch of different emojis on it because I wanted to express myself and I wanted to show my personality with the bag. And it definitely was a success because every time I walked down the street, somebody would comment on the bag. So before we begin the video, I wanted to remind you to subscribe to my channel, turn on that notification bell, and if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. That's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, don't forget to let me know by using that thumbs up button. Now, I'd like to keep this channel interactive. So if there's anything that you would like to see in this channel, use the comment section below and let me know. I'll see you guys next time.